welcome back to the channel. Today we're tackling a Hyrox style engine building workout. An AMRAP that's going to test your endurance, strength and mental grit. If you're training for Hyrox, prepping for a race, or just looking to level up your conditioning, this session is perfect for you. Before we dive in, let's get warmed up. If you haven't warmed up, pause the video and warm up now. The goal here is to prime our body for the intensity ahead. Here's the breakdown. 1,000 meter run, keep it at a steady, sustainable pace. 50 bodyweight squats. Get deep, stay controlled and focus on form. Then repeat for as many rounds as possible in the time you have. I'll be pushing through 2 full rounds in this video so you can train along with me. Stay locked in, follow my pacing and let's see how far we can go. Let's get into the main workout. Run number 1, 1,000 meters. Start strong but controlled. Find a pace you can hold for multiple rounds, around 70 to 80% effort. Focus on your breathing. Inhale through your nose, exhale through your mouth. Keep your arms relaxed and use a steady rhythm. Midway through, check in with your form. Upright posture, slight forward lean, smooth strides. If you're feeling good, maintain. If you're struggling, dial back slightly. Last push. If you've got more in the tank, slightly increase your pace. Finish strong, but don't redline. We've got more rounds ahead. 50 bodyweight squats. Start controlled. Feet shoulder width apart. Drive the knees out. Chest up. Avoid bouncing or rushing. Midpoint, stay consistent, core tight, weight on the heels. Legs burning. That's normal. Focus on your breath. Exhale on the way up. Final push. Stay strong. Keep moving and don't break form. Run number 2, let's go. Here we go again. This is where it gets tough, but this is where progress is made. Keep your cadence high, shorten your stride if needed, and focus on steady breathing. If you're feeling fatigued, drop the pace slightly, but don't stop. Forward is forward. Round 2 squats. Expect some fatigue, but keep pushing. Your legs will want to slow down, but stay consistent. Mind over matter. This workout is simple but effective. A great Hyrox Engine Builder that tests your stamina, leg endurance, and ability to push through fatigue. If you want to improve your performance in Hyrox, OCR, or just general fitness, this is a great workout to add to your rotation. Try this for 3 to 4 rounds if you're feeling strong. If you enjoyed this session, hit that like button, subscribe for more race prep content, and let us know what you want to see next. Stay in motion, and I'll see you in the next one.